Hey guys, Electron Man. I got a great little hack for you today. If you have one of these 10.1 Androids for a Mustang, this screen right here, it will just randomly pop up, and it drive you crazy. When I first installed this unit, I'd be driving down the road, couldn't use GPS or nothing because randomly this thing would come up every 2 or 3 minutes, and it was driving me nuts. I thought maybe it was some dust on the controls, whatever. No, it just would not quit popping up on me. Well, due to a YouTuber, he sent me a fix on that. I'm going to show you real quick how you basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into car settings. You want to go into factory settings. You're going to put 8888, and that's going to get you into the extra mode. And then once you get into there, you're going to go to protocol parameter settings right here at the top here, and then you're going to go down and you're going to find a pop air set. Pop air set. It's down here. Find it here, right here. It says pop air set. Hit that pop air set, and you want to have that set as closed. When I first went in there, I've already changed mine, so it shows closed now, but it'll be an open. You want to set that to closed. Then after you do that, then you want to go to air conditioner floating key switch, which is right down here at the bottom. You do that one, and you want to set it as open. Once you set it to open, then of course, get out of there, get back 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 out of there. And whenever I drive down the highway, it never pops up at all. It created this little icon down here in the corner. Hopefully you can see that, but this little icon. So anytime, you can still use all the controls, the fan and everything. They still work fine. You just don't have the fancy display. But if you need to see the display to set the temperature or use the display to set your climate control, you just click that button, boom, it's up, and then you can you can speed your fan up and speed your fan down, all that stuff right here on the screen. Or you can use the stuff on the bottom. Anyway, it's a great hack. I got to thank the YouTuber that did it for me, showed me how to do it, because it was driving me nuts. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this little short video. Have a great day, guys, out there. If you haven't already, join my channel. And check out the long video I did on this.